Good morning, students. In our geography class, we have completed chapter 1, our atmosphere, our environment. Now we are going to start chapter number 2, inside our earth. So it's very important that what are the things that are inside our earth. So we will start our topic inside our earth. If you have ever observed an apple carefully, you must have discovered that it made of three layers. The skin of the apple is the crust, the fruit is the mantle, and the central part is the core. Similarly, Earth is also comprised of three layers. It means, like apple, Earth is also consists of three layers. Earth also comprises three layers. First one is crust, second one is mantle, and third one is core. Means the most uh, the part which is at the center of the earth is core of the earth. Now we are going to start crust. So the crust is the outermost layer of the earth. It varies widely in thickness from 12 to 60 kilometer, consists of ocean and continents which may be called lithosphere and rest on the base of mantle. The inside of the earth has a shallow crust as thin as an eggshell, which can be compared with the size of a ball. So here we can see that in this image, so this outermost part is crust, then mantle, then outer core, and then inner core. Okay, here core is divided in two parts, that is outer core and inner core. So crust, we can call crust as lithosphere also, because the we have studied that lithosphere is the earth's surface, the part of the earth's surface containing continents, oceans, seas, lands, forests, etc. are known as lithosphere. So the surface of the earth is known as lithosphere. So we can call crust as a lithosphere, and the thickness of the crust is here 12 kilometer to 60 kilometer from the earth. Now below the surface capped by sedimentary material, upper layer of the crust is mainly composed of crystalline, igneous and metamorphic rocks. Here crust is mainly composed of igneous and metamorphic rocks, acidic in nature, and this is acidic in nature. Now the lower layer of the crust has basaltic and ultrabasic rocks. The layers of heavier or inner silicates is not found beneath oceans. The oceans are mostly underlaid by dark colored basalt followed down by a thickness, greenish and tremendously hot layers. Here, the continents are composed of lighter silicates termed as sal or silica aluminum. The oceans have heavier silicates named as sima or silica plus magnesium. The crust forms less than 1% of the radius of the earth. Here, the earth, the crust forms a only 1% of the radius of the earth. Means here 12 to 60 kilometer is very less. So with compared to the size of the earth, so here we can see that 1% of radius is crust. The crust is forms less than 1% only. Okay, now the second layer is mantle. So the mantle is the largest layer of the earth. Now this is the largest layer, means it covers the most part of it, covers the huge part of earth. Here it is 2900 kilometer thick. 2900 kilometer thick. It lies between the crust and the core, and this one is middle layer and lies between the crust and the core. Now it consists of iron, aluminum, calcium, magnesium, silicon, and oxygen. It contains iron, aluminum, calcium, magnesium, silicon and oxygen. Now the crust floats on top of the mantle. Crust lies on the top of this layer. This and it has very high temperature reaching 4500 degrees Celsius, which turns it into a molten state. This molten rock is known as magma, and this turns into a molten state. So, and forms a molten rock known as magma. Now, the only time we see the hot molten rock of the mantle in when is when it burns out through the crust in a volcanic eruption. So when a volcanic eruption occurs and it comes out of the crust, then we can see the this molten rock, this hot molten rock. We can see this hot molten rock when these volcanoes form, like you can see in this example. When these volcanoes form, then this molten rocks come out of the crust, and then we are and that is the only condition when we can see this layer, the part of this layer. Hot spots are places on Earth's crust where the hot mantle rock wells nearer to the surface breaks through a form of volcanoes. Now the last one is core. So the core is the innermost layer. The innermost layer of the Earth is crust and has a radius of about 3,500 kilometers. It is the most inaccessible layer lying around the center of the earth. It is heaviest part of the earth, and this is the heaviest part of the earth, and it lying around the center of the earth, and this is only the center of the earth. It is heaviest part of the earth and is made up of nickel and ferrous. This is made up of nickel and ferrous. Thus it is called knife. The estimated temperature is between 2200 degrees Celsius and 500 degrees Celsius. The layer is thought to be in a molten state, but the very high pressure keep this layer firm and solid. The density varies from 5 gram per centimeter cube to about 13.90 gram per centimeter cube. So now in our next video we will start the topic rocks and minerals. Now you have to revise this chapter. You have to revise the topic crust, mantle and core. Thank you.